Hey, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today, I have on my bench a KNOX Trem tone. You've got instrument inputs and a foot switch for the tremolo on this. They actually call it a tremolo on this, not a vibrato. Just an explanation, vibrato changes the pitch up and down. Tremolo changes the volume up and down. Very, very different effects. Fender had it all messed up for the longest time. Anyway, you've got your tone and your on-off switch here, and a volume control. And we'll walk around. Here's a look at the full Monty here. And we'll walk around to the back and take a look at the amplifier. And what we're planning to do is replace the filter cap. It is a there are 3 caps in there, of which I have ordered all the parts for, and there are a couple of other caps in here that we will be replacing today, just to make sure that this thing is at its maximum modern performance. Another thing we are going to do is replace the death cord. Yeah, that'll kill you. It's very cool. I will keep that cord with the amplifier, and it will go home with the owner. If he wants to restore it to vintage state, we will do that. There's a nut missing off the speaker right there. I'm going to try and find one of those. There's one missing there, so I'm not 100% certain if this is the original speaker or not. It looks as though the amp is pretty virgin. No other monkeys had his hands in here, but I can't be 100% certain of that at this point. If you know something I don't, fill me in. So, a busy Tuesday with guitar students and amplifiers and guitars to work on. Peace, y'all. I'll be back after we got it recapped and fired up.